If your current bed frame feels unstable or just doesn't offer much in the way of functionality, the Silk & Snow Aire Bed Frame might be a better fit for you. In this review, we'll go through how it's built, what sets the upholstered and storage versions apart, and how it performs when it comes to stability, ease of assembly, and everyday usability. If you want to check current pricing in Canada or take a closer look at both versions, those links are in the description below. Stick with us as we break everything down to help you figure out which option fits your space best. The Silk & Snow Aire Bed Frame takes a more minimal, low-profile approach compared to many traditional bed frames. It's available in two versions, an upholstered model and a storage version, each designed with slightly different priorities in mind. Both options lean into a clean, modern look with a softer, more understated presence in a bedroom. The upholstered version focuses more on that visual simplicity, while the storage version builds in added functionality without straying too far from the overall design. This makes the Aire a good fit for sleepers who want something that feels less bulky but still provides enough structure and stability for everyday use. In the sections ahead, we'll break down how each version is built and how they compare when it comes to build quality, ease of assembly, and practical features. Constructions and materials. The Silk & Snow Aire Bed Frame uses platform style design that keeps the overall structure simple and streamlined. Both versions share a similar foundation with a few key differences depending on whether you go with the upholstered or storage model. On the upholstered version, the frame is wrapped in fabric, giving it a softer, more cushioned appearance. That added padding brings some texture to the design, while the internal structure is built to support a standard mattress without requiring a box spring. The support system is based on a slatted platform. These slats are spaced to provide even support across the mattress while still allowing for some airflow underneath. The storage version takes a more functional approach. Instead of an open base, it integrates built-in storage beneath the mattress. Depending on that configuration, this can include drawers or a lift-up mechanism, which adds both usability and additional structural components. Because of that added functionality, the storage model tends to feel more reinforced overall, with a slightly more complex internal build compared to the upholstered version. Across both versions, the Aire Bed Frame keeps the focus on a clean platform design that balances simplicity with practical everyday support, design, and aesthetic. The Aire Bed Frame leans into a low-profile, modern look. Both versions sit closer to the ground, which can make a room feel a bit more open compared to taller, bulkier frames. On the upholstered model, the fabric finish softens the overall experience. The edges are slightly rounded and padded, giving a more relaxed feel rather than something sharp or overly structured. This version tends to blend easily into a range of bedroom styles, especially if you're aiming for a clean or more neutral setup. The storage version follows a similar silhouette, but the added base gives it a more of a visual weight. It still reads as modern, just with a slightly more built-up functional look. Since both versions avoid decorative detailing, the design stays fairly understated. That makes it easier to pair with different headboards, bedding, or room layouts without the frame pulling too much attention. The Aire Bed Frame keeps a simple, low-impact presence, with the upholstered version leaning softer and the storage version leaning slightly more towards function. Stability and build quality. Stability is an important factor with a lower profile bed frame, and the Aire is built to feel more grounded than elevated. On the upholstered model, support comes from the combination of the frame and a slatted base working together to distribute weight across the surface. When everything is assembled properly, it stays fairly stable under normal use with minimal shifting. Because this version is lighter and more streamlined, its stability can depend on how securely the components are put together during assembly. The storage version tends to feel more anchored. The added base and internal structure increases the overall weight, which helps reduce movement and gives it a more solid presence on the floor. That extra reinforcement can also limit shifting over time, especially compared to lighter platform designs. In terms of noise, both versions are intended to stay quiet, though proper assembly plays a big role in preventing creaking or movement sounds. The Aire Bed Frame receives a stability and build quality score of a 9 out of 10, with the storage version generally feeling a a bit more solid. Ease of assembly. Ease of assembly can vary between the two versions, mostly due to how much structure is involved. The upholstered model is the more straightforward option. Its simpler frame uses fewer components, so the setup process tends to be more manageable. Most of the work involves connecting the main frame pieces and placing the slats into position. For most people, this is something that can be completed in under an hour using basic tools, and it typically doesn't require more than one person. The storage version is more involved by comparison. With additional framing and built-in storage components, there are more parts to assemble and align correctly. That added complexity can extend the setup time and requires a bit more attention to detail to ensure everything fits properly. Depending on the configuration, having a second person can make things easier, especially when lifting or positioning heavier sections. The Aire Bed Frame earns an ease of assembly score of 7 out of 10, with the upholstered version being quicker to set up and the storage version taking a bit more time and effort. Practical features. The biggest practical difference between the two versions of the Aire Bed Frame comes down to storage. The upholstered model keeps things simple, leaving open space underneath the bed. That area can still be used for bins or boxes if needed, but there are no built-in storage features. This makes it a good fit for anyone who prefers a cleaner setup or already has enough storage elsewhere in the room. The storage version takes a more functional approach. It incorporates built-in compartments beneath the mattress, which can be used for items like bedding, clothing, or seasonal storage. That added capacity can be especially useful in smaller spaces where making the most of available storage matters. Because everything is integrated into the frame, it also helps keep items more contained and out of sight compared to using separate storage bins. In the end, the choice comes down to whether you prefer a simpler open design or a frame that adds built-in storage to your setup. The Aire Bed Frame earns a practical feature score of 8.5 out of 10, with the storage version offering the most versatility in this category. Pricing. The Silk and Snow Aire Bed Frame falls into the mid to premium range for bed frames, with pricing varying depending on which version you choose. For reference, a queen size upholstered version is typically priced around $1,600. That can change based on promotions or configuration. The upholstered model is generally the more accessible option, focusing on design and simplicity rather than added functionality. The storage version sits at a higher price point, with a queen usually around $1,950. The added cost reflects the extra materials and a built-in storage system. That added functionality can help offset the need for additional furniture, which may factor into the overall value depending on your space. If you want to see the latest pricing or check out for current promotions in Canada, you can find those details throughout the links in the description. Policies. Silk and Snow includes few policies that are worth reviewing before ordering the Aire Bed Frame. Shipping is available across Canada, and the frame arrives flat packed for delivery. This makes it easier to transport and move into place compared to fully assembled furniture. The bed frame is backed by a limited 5-year warranty that covers defects in materials and workmanship. Like most furniture warranties, this is focused on structural issues rather than general wear over time. The frame can be returned within 30 days in its original packaging, which may make it more difficult to fully try this bed frame before you decide if you like it. Return shipping is left up to you as well. If you want to check current availability or see the most up-to-date policy information in Canada, you can find those details throughout the links in the description. And if you're still comparing bed frames, be sure to check out more reviews and breakdowns to help you find the right fit for your space.